Having trouble getting verified on GCash? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you some simple ways to fix GCash verification problems quickly and easily. Problem number 1. ID not accepted. Make sure your ID is clear, not expired, and matches the information you provided. Accepted IDs include a valid government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Tip: take a well-lit photo against a plain background. Avoid glare and shadows for better clarity. Problem number 2. Not receiving the OTP. This can be caused by network issues or incorrect phone numbers. Solution: double-check your registered number, ensure you have a strong signal, and make sure your GCash app is up to date. Problem number 3. Verification failed despite entering correct information. Solution: contact GCash support. Provide accurate information and a clear photo of your ID. You can reach them via email or the GCash app itself. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can resolve common GCash verification problems quickly. Like and subscribe for more GCash tips and troubleshooting guides.